Hello, my little cherries. Do you know what are we going to learn today? Phonic sounds. Sounds of English alphabets. Let's get started. A is for apple. Come again. What's the sound? A. Apple. Come again. A. Apple. Isn't it fun? Yes. B is for ball. B. Yes, you heard it right. Come again with me. Ball. C is for cat. K. You heard it right. Cat. Come again. Say cat. So the next, D is for dog. So the sound is D. Dog. Yes, you heard it right. Say dog. Having fun? E for egg. Egg. What's the sound? Egg. Got it? Yes. Come again. Egg. What's the sound? F for fish. Fish. Got it? So the next is goat. G is for goat. Goat. Right? Goat. So the next letter is H. H is for hen. What's the sound? Think. Hen. Hen. I for igloo. 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 Say igloo. Then comes juice. J for juice. What's the sound? So the sound is juice. Got it? Kite. K is for kite. Sound of K. What's the sound of K? Kite. 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 L is for lamp. Lamp. So the sound is lamp. Lamp. Got it? Say with me. Lamp. Oh my! It's your favorite monkey. M is for monkey, right? So the sound is monkey. Got it right. Nest. N is for nest, right? N is for nest. 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 There comes our favorite fruit, orange. O is for orange. What's the sound? O is for orange. Orange. Our national bird. It's a peacock. Peacock. P is for peacock. Peacock. Got it right. It's peacock. Then comes the queen. You know? Elsa, the queen. Q is for queen. 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 Say once again. Right? Queen. There comes a rat. R is for rat. Right? Rat. Rat. Then comes our S for sunflower. Sunflower. The sound is S. Sunflower. S. T for teddy bear. Teddy bear. Say T for teddy bear. The sound is teddy bear. Umbrella, right? U for umbrella. The sound is umbrella. You heard it right. Say along. Umbrella. Van. V is for van. The van. The sound is the van. Water. W is for water. 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 X. X is for box. Box. The sound of X is x. Yacht. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Y is for yacht. Come along with me. Say yacht. Again, yacht. Then is zoo. Z for zoo, right? The sound is z. Zoo. Come again. Zoo. We'll meet you up again with another interesting video, my dear children. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you all for listening.